Weather hasn't been that great, but I mean, hey, I'm still gonna give you guys this POV so you guys can see what it's like to drive the M3. And if you actually already have an M3, let me know what your favorite aspect of driving the car is. For me, it's gotta be more so the handling than the power. I think now, with the power, it's a lot of fun. However, the way this car handles, that's what I love about the M3. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm sure there's probably better handling cars out there, but for my price point, for what I'm able to afford, this is probably one of the best things that I've actually driven. I gotta get some gas before we actually continue the drive. So, as you can see, only got a range of 11 miles. So I'm gonna probably stop by the gas station on our way there and get some gas in the car. Will I make it? Let's hope I do. I have to go right up the street to FedEx, so I should be able to make it, but fingers crossed. Sometimes I have anxiety when the when the fuel gauge gets too low. Have you ever been in a situation where it's like it just doesn't tell you anything because it's so low? Well, I have before, and with my anxiety, it was terrible. I was freaking out the whole time. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the drive, man. If you guys do like this, let me know in the comments below. I'll try to do maybe another one of these on a better day, on a sunnier day. Hopefully the camera quality is clear as well. If it's not, let me know. Should I step it up? Do we need a step up production? Or does this satisfy you guys' needs? I just want to continue to get better and better until this is actually something I can maybe do full-time in retirement. Who knows? Maybe one day it'll happen. Maybe it'll be a long time away, but this is my thing. I already started it. I'm being consistent. I'm gonna keep it pushing. You gotta stay consistent. You gotta stay consistent. Yeah. I have to turn down the music because I don't want to get demonetized. What I might try to invest in is better audio equipment. I've kind of noticed M1, where I have it set up, is probably the most efficient. But when you're in M2 mode, it opens it up full power. Although even right now with my low fuel, that's another thing too this car will do. If you have low fuel, it'll actually limit the power of the car too. So it might not necessarily me being in M1, it might just be the car limiting the power due to low fuel, or a combination of both. If you know, let me know. Gas station is right up the street up here. We'll gas up and go to FedEx. With the weather, I wanted to do a longer POV drive, but with the weather being so glim, it's probably gonna be a short one. So this video is gonna be, it's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be a little bit of a mixture of everything. Primarily trying to focus and keep it on being a, so people this out. So if you haven't had a chance yet to watch Untitled Label videos where I talk about being a field service engineer, check that out. Likewise, if you are watching this video from Untitled Label, you haven't had a chance to check out John Mission, which is kind of my, you know, side passion project thing that I have going on about my passion for cars and car photography and just doing what I'm kind of doing essentially. Check those two channels out. You guys might enjoy it. Might see a little bit more of a creative side to me. As a field service engineer, you know, you have to be very I don't know what the meticulous, I guess, but I use those same skill sets to make me a better artist per se. So if you enjoy it, let me know. I want to interact with people, you know. All right, so I'll end the POV here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna continue. I might give you guys a second portion of the POV where I have to go meet my colleague Carl. So that's actually might be a better drive, so I might include some of those in the POV. So let's go, let's get it.